Hello guys and welcome back. So as you know that we have completed the health bar and the player money amount, as you can see right here. Now after this, the next one is the wanted level. So for the wanted level right here in the player UI, let's create an empty game object and let's name this as wanted level. Now if you click on the scene view and let's focus upon the wanted level, here it is. Let's click on the react transform of it and make it to the top right. Okay, like that. Now let's click on it. Here it is. Let's turn on the gizmo so that we can see it perfectly fine. Okay, here it is. Now if we click on this player right here, we have attached this wanted level script right here. Let's click on copy component. Let's click on wanted level and right here simply click on paste component as new. That is it. Now if we click on player again, let's just simply remove this from there. And now if we check the police officers, as you can see, the wanted level is missing in here. But if we play the game, the script will be attached automatically, as you can see. So now inside this wanted level, create an empty game object again by the name of level 1. And now in here create a UI legacy image, or actually create a simple image, and let's name this image as unwanted star. Okay, now if you go to sprites right here, we have this star which is in white color, so drag and drop that in here. Click on set native size. Okay, as you can see, it is a lot more bigger, so let's set the width of it to 20 and the height of it to 20 as well. And now if we focus upon it, here it is. Okay, so now what we will do with it is, for now we will leave it as it is. Let's duplicate this unwanted level star, and now this time name it as wanted star, and let's remove this one from the ending. Now we have the unwanted star and wanted star. For the wanted star, we will drag and drop this one, and as you can see, here it is. So whenever the level 1 wanted star is active, it will show this yellow star, but if it is not, it will show this white star. Okay, so in this way it will work. Now we have the level 1 setup right here. Now what we can do with it is we will just simply move it right here and make sure that it is right down below this $200 sign right there. If we check it out, here it is. Okay, now after this, let's just simply duplicate this and move it to this side. Okay, then let's just duplicate it 3 times. Then let's select the third one, move it right here. Then the fourth one, move it right here. Then the fifth one, let's move it right here. And that will be it. Now let's just simply rename this to level 2, then level 3, then level 4, and then we have the last level, which is 5. That is it. Now as you can see, they all have the unwanted and wanted level star. Okay, so in this way it will work. Now let me just do this and let's click on wanted level. As you know, we have the script right here, so let's just open this up. Right here we need a reference to our unwanted level star. Okay, I mean not the unwanted, the wanted level star. So whenever the player kills someone, we will activate and deactivate the star like this. Okay, so we need reference to all of this wanted level stars. So let's go ahead and create a reference in our script. Before this level 1, let's say public game object, and let's name this as level 1 star. Okay, and let's just copy this, and after above this level 2 paste it, then above level 3, level 4, level 5. Okay, and now let's rename this to level 2 star, then level 3 star, then level 4 star, and at the end we have the level 5. Then whenever the level 1 equals to true, we also want to show the wanted level star, so we will say level 1 star dot set active, and let's set it to true. Okay, now we want to do the same for the other star, so let's paste it right here, then in here, right here as well, and in the fifth one as well. Now let's rename this to level 2, then level 3, level 4, and level 5. That will be it, and make sure that at the top you type using Unity engine.ui. Now we can just simply save this script, get back to Unity. Now if we click on wanted level right here, let's attach the stars. So let's open all of them. Okay, and let's drag and drop the first one, then the second wanted level star, then the third one, then the fourth one, and at last we have the fifth one. That is it. Now let's save this. Let me turn off the gizmos, let me clear that out. Let's click on this and let's play it on the maximize window. Now if we play the game, as you know, the player money, player health, everything is right there. Now for example, if we pick up this rifle, okay, now let's try to shoot this, and as you can see, level 1 star is activated. Now let's try to shoot some other one as well. Now as you can see, level 3 is active and they are shooting us, as you can see. Now let's try to shoot him as well, and let's shoot this one as well. Okay, the player just died, but now as you can see right there, the stars were activating one by one, and it means that our wanted level system is working perfectly fine. Now we are creating some beautiful player UI. As you can see, we now have the player money, wanted level star, health bar. Now everything is set up. Okay, and I hope you understand how you can add the wanted level stars. So I hope you can now do that by yourself, or else you can just watch this video from the start. And with our wanted level done, let's end this video right here.